are here and we are live at the first interview of the day at CB Connect, Silicon Valley. It's already been a great day, but I am here with one of our partners. You are Peter. Can you tell us your role with your Imanis Data?
Sure. Yeah.
And speaking of Imanis Data, we're going to have them behind us all day.
By the way, I appreciate the plug there that we're right there. So my name is Peter Smales. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer for Imanis Data. We're a partner with Couchbase, obviously, here at the show, having a great time. And what we do is we're an enterprise data management company, which specifically means we provide data management along the lines of data protection, backup and recovery, disaster recovery, data orchestration, things like automated test dev, cloud migrations, and we do all that using a machine learning engine for automation. Pretty cool stuff.
Awesome. And so you are here, you are one of our sponsors, if I remember.
Yes.
And so tell me a little bit about why you came and you joined this event, and also, honestly, why did you partner with Couchbase?
Yeah, I can answer those in sequence. Why we're here? I mean, just take a quick look around. You can hear the buzz. You know, just in terms of the event, this is a great event. This is my first year doing it with Imanis, but I've been to this event before, and it's fantastic. So it's a very, put it bluntly, it's a target-rich environment. Everybody who's here, ideally wants to be talking to us, and vice versa. So you can't go wrong there. And the second thing, in terms of the partnership,
hey, what are you doing? Hey man, how you doing?
John Morasek, CEO.
So you are the CEO.
I am indeed.
Well, this is live, so you might as well join the interview.
Great, thank you. Did he say all the right things?
Stealing my thunder, what's up with that?
Yeah.
I do think that he was saying all the right things. Now, you're going to know better than I will.
When I see it later, I'll be like, oh my God, did you really say those things?
Well, you are live, so I got to make sure. All right, we're all on the camera here, right?
You good? All right, cool.
Cool, all right.
Sorry to be hijacking the interview here, guys.
It's fine. Well, we were set up for 2, but I want to make sure we're set up for 3 now.
Cool. Okay.
But, so, you are the CEO.
Yep.
He was just answering why you guys partnered with Couchbase, and I don't remember, now I'm thrown off. I think you had said that you explained why.
Yeah, I'll finish that one and then jump in. But basically, the event, as I said, it's just jumping. It's a great event for us, number one. Number two is Couchbase is a market leader. And you guys, your engagement database, you're focused on performance, you're focused on scale, you're focused on availability, you're a technology leader. That's important to us. We're a technology leader in enterprise data management. The combination of those two adds a ton of value from a customer standpoint. So ultimately, it's what's the value we're going to offer to customers. There's just logical synergy at the technology level, and there's logical intersection at the customer level. That's why we're here, and that's why we partner.
Awesome. Well, then I will ask you.
He said everything. I'm not sure what else I could add. No, but seriously, to build on that, I mean, just standing here in the booth and seeing all our mutual customers and prospects come up, I mean, these people are pushing the envelope on NoSQL and next-generation databases, and our platform supports it, so it's great. They're coming up, they're getting a good vibe. It's like, hey, we work with you guys, et cetera, and Couchbase has been super supportive of us in terms of supporting the ecosystem, so this is a fantastic show for us.
Well, I'd love to understand from the both of you. Obviously, we understand why you guys partnered with us, but what are the major customer benefits of this partnership? Now, obviously, for your customers and our partner and our customers as well. Who wants to go?
Which way we go first? I'll go bottoms up. You go tops down. So, from a bottoms up standpoint, you guys are a leader in NoSQL, right? And you've got some unique differentiation around the things I mentioned just before. At the same time, from an enterprise data management standpoint, for organizations to widely deploy what you guys are doing, they need enterprise class data management. That means backup, point-in-time backup. That means any point-in-time recovery. That means automated test dev. That means cloud migration. That's what we do. So at the end of the day, collectively, you guys give them the platform that they need. We give them the data management tools from a protection and orchestration standpoint so that they can have all the remediation, all the governance, all the compliance, all the agility, all the flexibility they need to do all the underlying things they want to do with your platform.
And I think another story here is when you look at the competition in this space, you guys are really focused on how do I move the platform forward and not how do I worry about all the peripheral things that are necessary. And by getting those through an ecosystem, I think you're moving the platform further and faster than your competitors. And that's why it's a perfect match for us.
Well, I mean, I know that I'm happy to hear that. probably not as happy as our executives will be to hear that. So hopefully they
Walk by at any point.
It's true, they could.
And they might just stop by.
They could stop by.
I don't know. Just jump into the interview here.
But lastly, I know you guys are going to be packed in your booth, and we've got a full schedule of interviews today. I don't know if they're going to be as fun as you, because we don't always just have CEOs just drop in. But, kind of like, what does the future of this partnership look like? What are you most excited about? And, kind of tell us anything else that I missed from this interview.
Oh, what we're excited about is really the opportunity to grow together. There's kind of the core business piece of this is a platform we support, and it's great synergy. There's also the mindset of the customer bases that we both support. These people are pushing the envelope. They're not stuck in the legacy world. So on top of it being good business, we just see this partnership growing closer and closer, a lot of joint sales. And on top of it, it's just fun. It's just fun. We think it's great working with the Couchbase folks. So good for business, fun, and working with customers we like. What more can I say?
Can't beat that. The only thing I would add to that is on the product front. What's really exciting is just yesterday we announced our V4.0. A big piece of that was the introduction of any point in time recovery, really key functionality for enterprises that John was just mentioning in terms of widening that proliferation. And market metrics will tell you about 93% of organizations are already doing something or will be doing something with NoSQL in the next 12 months. So basically everybody's doing something. So the bottom line is you guys got to keep rocking and rolling. We're going to keep delivering what we deliver, and future's bright.
Well, I'm definitely excited to see that, or to hear that, I should say. And, I'm definitely looking forward to seeing you guys at our next event. I don't even know where that's going to be.
We'll be there.
We've been all around the world. Literally, I've been with the company for 5 months now, I think, and I've already gone to 3 different events. I'm from New Jersey, so New York was very easy for me.
Yes, yeah.
And then I went to Europe, and now I'm here. So it's been a lot of traveling, but I will not shake your hands because I am sick. So I will fist bump it.
Thanks for having us.
All right.
You guys.
Thank you.
And we look forward to working with you guys again.
Likewise.
Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.